Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Welcome back once again to this channel. If you're a regular visitor, welcome. This is the day 4 of this logo design challenge, and this time around I'll be teaching you how I was able to design this captivating logo using just Pixellab. Alright, using just your smartphone. Even if Photoshop, you're finding it difficult to design on Photoshop, you can be able to follow up on this tutorial to master how you'll be able to maximize this opportunity to design creative logos, and equally use it as inspirations too. So can you stick with me to the end of this video if you want to master all this, and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out when I upload new videos on this challenge. So the first thing I'll be doing here is I'll have to take the text of what I want to design. I can just edit this text, and since I'm designing a D and G logo, so I can just take this, then increase the size using this material that is here. I can just make it bold, use this to make it to be bolder. Good. Then I'll copy this and then edit. I'll add this G. Okay, then use this relative position to make sure it's at the middle, just like this. There's a feature here which is mask feature. It's not available for this text button, so what I'll do here is I'll have to copy this letter G. Let me mask this D so you will see what I'm doing very well. So I've copied this. Now I'll go back to this relative position, use these two things to make it to be at the middle, and once I'm done with this, I'll have to merge these two G together. I have to merge these two together. So now I've merged this, and so now I'll have to go to this mask. You can see this mask here, enable it, and then I'll position it to the side I want to mask off. Like I want to mask off this edge here, so I can just shift it to this point. You can see that I can just shift it to this point and then mask all this like this. Good. I think I'll have to edit it again, so I'll shift this like this. Good. So I'll unmask this like this so it will be visible. Then use this to shift it carefully so that it will be able to go in here like this. You can see that I'm trying to shift this thing, and this edge, the edge here is showing. So what I'll do here is I'll go to crop, so that I'll crop out this part here. Good. I'll recrop it like this. Then I'll select this G again, go down to eraser. I can shift this like this and then shift this way, so I can just use it to erase these points down like this, just to erase it carefully. You can see that now, so it's looking merged like this. I'll reduce the size of this a bit so it will fit in here. Continue reducing the size so they will look together, just like this. Alright, so I'll go down to color. I will choose the color I want to use here, which is gradient. I can just select this color like this. How I was able to combine this gradient is you can just tap this plus sign, then select one of this point that is there, tap on this place and then select any color you want press OK. Do the same to this one. You can just select this and tap on this color and select any color of your choice. So that's how I was able to combine this color. Then I'll move this G to the back, make it to be at the back, and then change the color to, because I want to use the same color, I can just select this same color like this. Good. So I'm done with this. I'll have to merge these two things together, so they are now looking like one single logo like this. Good. So I'll be inputting the name of the company that owns this logo, this DG, the company. I can just edit this, which is Dance Global. Increase the size. Then I'll change the font because I don't like this font. I don't want to use this font, so I can just pick any font I like of my choice. I'll pick this. So if you want to know how you'll be able to download this particular font, how you'll be able to download stylish fonts into your Pixellab, you can just check the description. There is a video I embedded in the description about how you'll be able to download and install fonts into your Pixellab. So you can just watch it, so you'll be able to know how I was able to do this too. Alright, so right now I'll go down to this spacing, select words because I want to reduce the spacing between the words. Reduce it to this point and then mark good. Place it here. Go down to color, and I want to change the color of only this global, so I can just select it and select the color. Why I'm selecting a purple color is because I've already used a purple on this logo, so I won't like to select another color that is not within this logo. That's why I selected purple. Or you can also select blue since it's rhyming with this color here. Good. The last thing I'll be doing here is I'll have to go to shapes again. I will select a circle shape, then increase the size like this, reduce it just this way, and then copy this. I'll copy this, change the color of this to maybe blue or any color, then I'll place it here like this. Once I place it here, I'll merge these two circles together and then go down to erase color, enable it. Once I enable it, all the white colors will go, but I don't want to erase the white color, so I can just place this on this color and mark good. Then I'll change the color to white. Good. Then I will just adjust it a bit and place it below this. So I can just do it carefully so it can fit in. Let me use this position icon here. Alright, so I'm done with everything that is here. I'm done with this design. And just move this here. I'm done with this design. I can select this and then go down to this emboss. You can, if you've been following this tutorial from the day one, you notice that I've been using this emboss from the day one. This is to be able to make the design look very nice and very captivating, to look in a 3D format. So that's the reason I've been using this for a while now. So I can use all these features here to just adjust the light and then adjust the thickness and everything about it. Good. I can also apply the same to this. I'll select this text, Dance Global, then go to emboss to enable it, and then I can just apply the same thing here. I like it this way, so I'll just leave it like this. Then I'll add a shadow. I will just merge everything here together. Once I merge this, I'll go to shadow. Reasoning for adding shadow is to make it to look more visible, or that's to make it to look more visible. So I'm done with this logo like this. I can simply save it to my gallery, but if you want to save it, you have to save it in PNG format, which means I'll have to change the background of this by going to here. If I tap here, I'll tap transparent. I'll make it transparent. The reason I'm making this transparent is that Once you send this logo to the owner or thereabouts, if the person wants to paste it on a project, it will be able to be pasted on that project. But if it has a background color attached to it and you send it like that, the person won't be able to paste it on that project. The person will have to be removing the background, which will reduce the quality of the logo and the beauty of the logo. So I hope you learned something new from this video. Kindly hit the subscribe button and share this video, like this video, so that others can be able to learn the knowledge you also gain from this channel. You also gain from this video. Don't forget to share and comment in the comment section how useful this video is to you, and also share your inspirations and share your ideas too. I'll be expecting that. So I'll be expecting you in my next video.